Baked-on grease can be a stubborn and unsightly nuisance in any kitchen. Whether it's on your oven racks, baking sheets, or stovetop, dealing with stubborn grease stains requires a combination of patience and effective cleaning techniques. In this guide, we'll explore various methods to help you achieve sparkling clean surfaces without resorting to harsh chemicals. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find more free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover a few effective ways to remove baked-on grease. You can get your printable daily housekeeping routine and cleaning checklists here at the link in this video description. This 15-page printable kit is delivered digitally to your email for you to print and personalize. It includes a daily schedule, calendar pages, and deep cleaning checklists for every room and area of your home. I'll link it below. Now, let's look at a few effective ways to remove baked-on grease. 1. Gather your supplies. Before diving into the cleaning process, make sure you have the following supplies on hand: baking soda, white vinegar, dish soap, lemon, microfiber cloths or sponges, old toothbrush, aluminum foil, hot water. 1. Preparation. Start by removing any loose debris from the affected surface. If you're dealing with oven racks or baking sheets, take them out and give them a good shake or wipe to eliminate loose particles. 2. Baking soda and water paste. Create a paste using baking soda and water, aiming for a thick consistency. Apply the paste to the greasy areas and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. The baking soda works as a gentle abrasive, breaking down the grease without damaging surfaces. 3. Vinegar and lemon juice soak. Mix equal parts white vinegar and lemon juice in a bowl. Submerge the affected items, such as oven racks or stovetop grates, in this solution. Allow them to soak for a few hours or overnight. The acidity of the vinegar and lemon helps break down the grease, making it easier to scrub away. 4. Dish soap and hot water soak. For surfaces like stove burners, fill a sink or basin with hot water and add a few drops of dish soap. Let the burners soak for an hour or more. The combination of hot water and dish soap helps soften and loosen the baked-on grease. 5. Aluminum foil scrub. For tougher stains, crumple up a piece of aluminum foil and use it as a scrubber. The foil's texture is abrasive enough to lift off stubborn grease without scratching surfaces. Be cautious with this method on non-stick coatings, as it may cause damage. 6. Old toothbrush detailing. For intricate areas or tight corners, use an old toothbrush to scrub away remaining grease. The bristles can reach into crevices that larger brushes might miss. 7. Rinse and dry. After applying your chosen cleaning method, rinse the surfaces thoroughly with water. Wipe them down with a clean, damp cloth to remove any residue. Allow the items to air dry completely before returning them to their respective places. 8. Oven cleaner. For really tough baked-on grease, you can use oven cleaner. Just use this like you would to clean your oven. Follow the oven cleaner instructions. Most varieties work best if you spray and soak them overnight. How can I prevent baked-on grease buildup in the future? Preventing baked-on grease buildup in your kitchen requires consistent maintenance and a few proactive measures. Here are some tips to help you keep your kitchen surfaces free from stubborn grease stains. Clean regularly. Make it a habit to clean your oven, stovetop, and other cooking appliances regularly. Wipe down surfaces after each use to prevent grease from accumulating and becoming baked on. Use cooking mats and foil. Place cooking mats or aluminum foil on baking sheets and in the bottom of your oven to catch spills and splatters. This will make cleanup easier and prevent grease from adhering to surfaces. Ventilate your kitchen. Ensure proper ventilation in your kitchen by using the exhaust fan or opening windows while cooking. This helps reduce the amount of airborne grease particles that can settle on surfaces. Cover food while cooking. Covering pots and pans while cooking can prevent splatters and reduce the chances of grease settling on nearby surfaces. Use lids or splatter screens to contain the mess. Regularly check and clean exhaust hood filters. If you have an overhead exhaust hood, clean or replace the filters regularly. Grease can accumulate in these filters, and if not cleaned, it may circulate back into the kitchen and settle on surfaces. Wipe down appliances and surfaces. After cooking, wipe down your oven, stovetop, microwave, and countertops with a damp cloth. This simple step can prevent grease from building up over time. Use grease guards. Consider using grease guards or splatter shields while cooking, especially when frying. These tools help contain splatters and reduce the amount of grease that can settle on nearby surfaces. Choose cooking oils wisely. Opt for cooking oils with higher smoke points to minimize the chances of excessive splattering and the creation of sticky, baked-on residue. Examples of oils with high smoke points include vegetable oil, canola oil, and grapeseed oil. Regularly clean burner grates and drip pans. Remove and clean burner grates and drip pans on your stove regularly. These areas can accumulate grease and food debris, contributing to baked-on stains if not cleaned promptly. Inspect and maintain seals. Check the seals on your oven and other cooking appliances regularly. A well-sealed oven prevents heat and grease from escaping, reducing the chances of residue settling on nearby surfaces. By incorporating these practices into your kitchen routine, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of baked-on grease buildup and maintain a cleaner and more inviting cooking space. Removing baked-on grease requires a combination of natural cleaning agents, a bit of elbow grease, and some patience. By following these methods, you can restore your kitchen surfaces to their sparkling best without relying on harsh chemicals. Regular maintenance and periodic deep cleaning will help keep baked-on grease at bay, ensuring a clean and inviting kitchen environment. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember to check out dmiddleton.com for more cleaning tips for your home. Need to get more organized? I have lots of free printables over on the blog at dmiddleton.com. I'll link it below. I also have a year-long thorough declutter series if you need to declutter your home. You can join us at the link in this video description. Struggling with housekeeping? I have an ebook on this topic entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. Check out the link below. Thanks for watching.